Hi everyone, welcome to our channel DIY with Kanchan. So in today's tutorial we are going to use these two chocolate boxes and convert them into these beautiful boxes. You can use them to keep anything and you can also gift it to your friends and family members. So the first thing we need is a chocolate box, something like this, and then you need a gesso. If you don't have gesso, you can always use acrylic colors. Then we need a glue. You can use any glue you have, then some acrylic colors. I'm going to take these two colors and I'm going to take this tissue paper. If you don't have tissue paper, you can take some gift papers or any printed papers you have. If you don't have papers or printed paper, gift paper, you can always take a printout of any print you like. Then we are going to apply gesso all over the box. I'm applying gesso because basically we need the base white. Otherwise, if you don't apply white color under, then for example this is a brown color, so the brown color will pop out and it is going to mix with green color. So always remember to apply white color as a base. And cut the napkin paper according to the cap of the box. And always remember to take out these extra two napkin papers from the napkin paper. And we are going to apply the glue and start sticking the napkin paper side by side. So first we'll start from one side and then we'll apply glue, and with a dry brush we are going to apply the napkin paper, something like this. This will help your napkin paper to stick nicely without any bubbles. So once it is fully dried, I'm going to apply one more coat to seal the napkin paper. In case you want to clean this box with water, you can always wash it or you can always wipe it with wet cloth. And at the bottom I'm going to take this part and I'm going to stick it here. First thing first, we are going to apply the glue and then we are going to stick the napkin paper. Take a dry brush and then start sticking it. So once both the part are done, the bottom and the top, now I'm going to take acrylic colors, and as you can see they have green and yellow color. So I am also going to take two colors, green and yellow, and I'm going to mix it and color the sides of the box. And this part is totally optional because I am going to make something different, and for that I'm taking this stencil and texture paste. This texture paste is homemade. If you want to make it, you can make it by taking 1 cup of baby powder, half cup of any glue, 3 tablespoons of any acrylic color. You can mix it and your texture paste is ready. I'm going to make a video on how to make a texture paste, so stay tuned for that. And start applying the texture paste on the top and the bottom of the box. And as you can see, after drying, this is looking absolutely amazing. And no one can make out that this is a chocolate box. You can keep anything inside this. You can keep some cookies and any gift items, and you can gift it to your friends and family members as well. For my second box, I am going to take this chocolate box and any gift paper, something like this. So this one I'm making it for my daughter. So I'm taking this paper. Otherwise, if you have some other papers, you can take that as well. So we are going to stick this in the bottom of the box here and start sticking it like this. And leave it to dry. And for the top, I am taking these acrylic colors. I am going to mix pink and white acrylic colors. As you can see, this one is pink. And mix little bit of white in this and start applying it on the top. So once the cap is fully dry, I'm going to take this glitter and I'm going to make a heart of glitter. So if you want your heart to be perfect, always cut the heart first and then draw it, and then you can make your heart. So I'm taking glue and I'm going to apply glue inside the heart, and then I'm going to sprinkle the glitter on the heart. Once the heart is fully dried, I'm going to take Mod Podge glue and I'm going to fix it with this glue. And our second beautiful storage box is also ready. You can make these kind of boxes for your daughter or for some birthday gifts. You can make this kind of box and you can put some gifts inside this, or you can keep this box on your table and you can keep your junk jewelries in this. You can use this storage box as you wish. And do let me know how did you like this video, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do subscribe to our channel, and if you're new to our channel, watch my other videos as well. Till then, see you next time. Bye bye.